Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the paper size to A4 in Google Sheets. Whether you need to print your spreadsheet for a presentation or you just want to make sure your data layout fits neatly onto a standard page, this is a skill you'll use again and again. By the end of this video, you'll know the simple steps to get your Google Sheets document looking just right on A4-sized paper. Let's jump straight into it. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're in the right spreadsheet that you want to adjust. It might sound obvious, but it's easy to end up making changes to the wrong file, especially if you have several tabs open. Just take a quick moment to double-check you're in the document that needs formatting. Once you've got your document open, look for the File menu at the very top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on File, and then you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, select Print. This might feel a little counterintuitive, like you're about to send your document straight to the printer, but all of the main formatting tools you'll need are tucked away right in the print settings. Now a print preview window will pop up, and this is where you get to control how your spreadsheet will look on paper. It's here that you'll find the paper size section, usually along the right-hand side. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, just scroll down a bit in the print settings panel, and you'll spot a drop-down menu labeled Paper Size. Next, click on the drop-down menu and you'll be presented with a list of different page sizes. By default, it might be set to letter, which is standard in the US, but for most international documents, or if you need to print according to European standards, A4 is what you're after. Select A4 from that list. Choosing the correct paper size is really important because if you don't, your content may get clipped, stretched, or shrunk unexpectedly. Think of it like picking the right picture frame. If your sheet and frame don't match, the result just won't fit. While you're in this menu, you might notice other options like page orientation, portrait for a vertical page, or landscape for horizontal, as well as margin settings. These are totally optional, but sometimes tweaking orientation or margins helps fit your data neatly onto the page, especially if your spreadsheet is wide or long. For example, if you have a lot of columns, switching to landscape could help prevent your data from spilling onto extra pages. When you're happy with your selections, you're almost done. Now, depending on whether you want to print the document physically or save it as a PDF, you'll either click the Print button or you might see Next, followed by an option to save as PDF. This step is what actually applies all the changes you've made and lets you preview your content in the A4 format before you finalize it. Give your preview a quick look. If anything seems off, it's no problem to go back and tweak your settings until it's perfect. And that's it, you've set your Google Sheet to print on A4 paper. This setup ensures your data looks organized and professional, whether you're sending it to the printer or sharing it as a file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to give the video a like, and if you have any questions or you run into any hiccups along the way, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.